PC building didn't disappear. It didn't die. It just stopped being normal. There was a time when building a PC felt accessible, not cheap, but realistic. You didn't need perfect timing. You didn't need deep technical knowledge. And you didn't need a backup plan if something went wrong. For many people, PC building was a way in into gaming, into technology, into learning how things actually work. It wasn't exclusive. Today, that feeling is gone. Building a PC now requires planning, caution, and money, sometimes all at once. And that already tells us something important. When a hobby starts requiring financial safety nets, it stops being a normal hobby. It becomes something else. Look at what PC building demands today: higher prices, compatibility checks, power requirements, cooling, motherboards, RAM generations. One mistake can cost months of savings. That changes behavior. People hesitate, people overthink, people delay, and many people simply stop trying. This is where PC building quietly changes category. It stops being mainstream. It stops being casual. It becomes a luxury hobby. Not because it looks premium, but because it demands resources most people don't have: time, money, and tolerance for loss. Today, PC building works best for a specific group: enthusiasts, content creators, professionals, people who can absorb mistakes. For them, a wrong purchase is an inconvenience. For others, it's a disaster. That difference matters. Students, casual gamers, people in poorer countries. They don't just upgrade later. They wait, or they leave. And when enough people leave, a culture changes. PC building becomes smaller, more closed, more exclusive. This isn't about nostalgia. It's about access. When fewer people can afford to experiment, fewer people learn. PC building isn't dead, but it's no longer designed for everyone. And pretending otherwise doesn't fix the problem. PC building became a luxury hobby not overnight, but quietly. And millions of people were left out without anyone noticing.